Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to close Stripe account 2026. First, open your browser and log into your Stripe account. Make sure you're accessing the correct account because once you close it, the action cannot be undone. After logging in, go to the Settings section. From there, navigate to Business Settings, then click on Account Details. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Close Account option. Before you proceed, make sure all financial matters are settled. This means your available balance should be fully paid out and any negative balance must be cleared. Stripe requires this before allowing account closure. Also, it's very important to export your data. Your account contains valuable information like transactions, customers, and subscriptions. Once the account is closed, you won't be able to access this data again. When everything is ready, click Close Account and confirm your decision. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be reversed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.